don't shine in daylight. Some love survivor shadows, bare hearts, dark corners. Street cold but your hands stay warm. City tall but we stay low form. No witnesses, no applause, just two hearts breaking quiet lost. I learned early how to guard my chest. Armor up, never give my best. But you look through the cracks in me like you already know the mess in me. Back alley glowing silhouette, every step feel like a dangerous bet. No halo love, no picture perfect scene, just raw truth in between. We don't need the crowd to see what this moment doing to me. No spotlight, no safety net, just the realest love I felt, yeah. Hearts in dark corners, no mask when the night gets colder. We love no key off the grid, still feel everything we did. Hearts in dark corners, no rules written, no controllers. If the world never understand us, I still choose you in the shadows. Yeah, I ain't flawless, I ain't pure, just honest love, nothing more. You don't ask me to be fake, you let me breathe, let me break. City taught me how to survive, you remind me I'm alive. Every scar on my skin, you trace it like a sacred den. We don't post, we don't brag, this ain't something for the tag. What we got don't need approval, it's too real to be removable. Heart beat loud in the quiet space, your name heavy when I say it. No promises, carved in stone, just truth every time we alone. Hearts in dark corners, love hidden from the vultures. We don't shine, we don't scream, still the realest thing I see. There, hearts in dark corners, late nights make us bolder. The light never find us, I still stay where your heart is. Maybe love ain't meant for stages, maybe it's surviving cages. Good from fear, pain, and trust, still breathing even when it's rough. If love and quiet keep us safe, then let the world test by the day. I don't need forever loud, just forever when it counts. Sounds echo down the block, town keep moving but we don't stop. Every look say don't let go, even when the lights stay low. I've been burned by spotlight love, faded fast when it got tough. Folk we got don't fade with dawn and linger like the favorite song. Yeah, hearts in dark corners, still shining without the armor. No labels, no disguise, just truth by little guy. Hearts in dark corners, we might be a struggle. If this love gotta stay here, I'll protect it with mine. Some nights don't be for the world, they be for each other. They be for each other. Midnight, city breathing slow, phones on silent, hearts on loud. Yeah. Neon dripping off the windows downtown, black top shining when we spin back around. He say my name like a secret code, I bite my lip, let the tension grow. No fairy tales, no picket fence, just raw desire and common sense. I don't need vows in a diamond tone, just real love when the lights stay low. Let the CT rising fast, past don't matter, future can't wait. We ain't lost, just off the map. Found something real in a moment like that. I've been boxed in by rules before. Tonight I kick every lock off the door. Clock keep ticking but we don't care. Every touch they stay right here. No lines, no fear, no doubt, just your hands pulling me closer now. No rules, just midnight love. City quiet, body speak up, no claims, no strings, no lies, just two hearts in the aftertime. No rules, just midnight love. No rules, just midnight love. Go like kissing on my bare skin, your breath heavy when you lean in. Street taught me how to stay tough, but you touch me soft, that's dangerous love. We don't pose, we don't prove, we let the moment make the move. Everybody wanna label things, I just wanna feel everything. Your eyes talk louder than your phone, every look say you're not alone. If loving free is a crime tonight, then baby let the city testify. Heartbeat sinking with the bass, your hands memorizing my ways. No tomorrow when you stare, just now, just heat, just air. No rules, just midnight love. Dark skies watching from above. No cage, no why, no because. Just truth in the way we touch. No rules, just midnight love. Slow grind till we lose the rush. No plans, no makeup, no front, no rules. Just midnight love. If the sunrise, let it find us later. Right now, I don't need no savior. Your name tastes sweet on my tongue, like a song only played after one. No ownership, no demand, just loyalty written in hands. If this night all we ever get, then I'ma feel every second of it. Lipstick mark on your collarbone, proof we made this moment our own. Sirens fall, world on pause, just us breaking invisible laws. I don't need forever promises, just honesty when the clock is 6. If you leave, leave me warm inside, knowing this love was real tonight. No rules, just midnight love. Every touch say enough is enough. No chains, no fear, no bluff, just souls colliding in the dark hush. No rules, just midnight love. Moonlight watching while we trust. No past, no future to judge. No rules, just midnight love. When the sun comes up, we'll see. Fast cars, slow hands. Yeah, we're moving different tonight. Fast like got the city on repeat. Red lights flashing like they're chasing me. Money talks loud, but I walk quietly. Body language say more when I'm silent. You see the glow when I step inside. Diamonds dance, but my eyes don't lie. I've been running from the rush all day. Now your touch make time slow down. Wait, high speed dreams, low tone up. Whole world loud, but we hush us. I've been built up, city made me. But you move slow, that's how you save me. Yeah, yeah. Every move deliberate, intentional. Your hands speaking in syllables. No rush, don't need to explain. I feel everything you don't say. Fast life, slow body talk. Heartbeat sink when the bass drops off. No words, just the way you move. Every turn saying what miles won't do. Fast life, slow body talk. All this heat in the after dark. We don't race, we let it crawl. Fast life, slow body talk. Street lights blur through the tinted glass. Cash flying by, I don't look back. You read my mood like bread on skin. Every part's pull me deeper in. I don't mean faint on my face tonight. Just your fingers drawing lines, judge right. Everybody chasing instant love. We taking time, that's dangerous stuff. I don't lose speed, don't mean control. Some feelings better when they unfold. Your breath heavy, my name slow. Like you saying it in italic tone. Clock still ticking, but we don't mind. This moment thick like molasses time. No pressure, no performance, just presence, pure importance. Yeah. Slow body talk, lights low, tension walking. No script, just intuition. Skin speak, fluent addiction. Nobody talk, every move intentional. Raw. We don't rush, we let it fall. Fast life, slow body talk. Maybe less supposed to move like that. Not loud, loud rush, just intimate. It's a monarch gain on the door. Tell it we ain't ready for more. I don't need for living right now. Just honest thinking that you touch me down. But wrong moving back outside. You gon' stay slow on your side. Jet stick stain on your collarbone. Proof this moment, ours alone, city buzzing. But I tuned it out, your hands, the only sound loud again. The bitch you rap by fans attention. Weak, high, short-lived connections. But you look at me like time will give. Like every second that you exist. Fast as your body talk. Every silence steaming harder than talk. No rush, don't need to stop. We let the night say all. Fast as your body talk. And I read through and the fall. here. Yeah. Some love don't shine in daylight. Some love survive in shadows. Bare hearts, dark corners. Street cold but your hands stay warm. City talk but we stay low phone. No witnesses, no applause. Just two hearts breaking quiet laws. I learned early how to guard my chest. Armor up, never give my best. But you look through the cracks in me like you already know the mess in me. Back alley glow in your silhouette. Every step feel like a dangerous bet. No halo love, no picture perfect scene. Just raw truth in between. We don't need a crowd to see what this moment doing to me. No spotlight, no safety net. Just the realest love I feel, yeah. Bare hearts in dark corners. No mask when the night gets colder. We love low-key, off the bridge. Still feel everything we did. Bare hearts in dark corners. No rules written, no controllers. If the world never understands us, I still choose you in the shadow. I ain't flawless, I ain't pure. Just honest love, nothing more. You don't ask me to be fake. You will let me breathe, let me break. City taught me how to survive. You remind me I'm alive. Every scar on my skin, you trace it like a sacred dam. We don't post, we don't brag. This ain't something for the tag. What we got don't need approval. It's too real to be removable. Heartbeat loud in a quiet space. Your name heavy when I say it. No promise, just carved in stone. Just truth every time we alone. There are in dark corners, love hidden from the vultures. We don't shine, we don't scream. Still the realest thing I've seen. Bare hearts in dark corners, late nights make us bolder. If the light never find us, I still stay where your heart is. Maybe love ain't meant for stages. Maybe it's surviving cages. Built from fear, pain and trust. Still breathing even when it's rough. If love and quiet keep us safe, then let the world pass us by today. I don't need forever loud, just forever when it counts. Sirens say go down the block. Time keep moving but we don't stop. Every love say don't let go, even when the lights stay low. I've been burnt by spotlight, you faded fast when it got tough. What we got don't fade with dawn and linger like a favorite song. Bare hearts in dark corners, still shining without the armor. No labels, no disguise, just truth when we lock eyes. Bare hearts in dark corners, the night made us stronger. If this love gotta stay hidden, I'll protect you with my honor. Some hearts don't beat for the world, they beat for each other. Bass pounding, bodies moving, whispers only we understand. Tonight's ours. Floor shaking like a city's heartbeat. Lights low, your eyes pulling me deep. Right around but we invisible. Every glance say this is permissible. Let the jacket's heels clicking their rhythm. Slow sway your hands sketching a prism. Every move like a secret language. Every touch got me feeling dangerous. I don't need a stage, I don't need fame. Just your lips whisper my name. Neon reflections in your pupils glow. Every pulse singing with the stereo. No words, just the way you move. Everybody telling me the truth. Bass hit, feel it on my chest. Your touch alone better than the rest. What's just between bass and bodies? Late night love, no apologies. Every look, every touch, every sound. We lose ourselves, no one around. What's just between bass and bodies? Heat rising in slow stories. No chains, no rules, no lies. Just freedom where the rhythm lies. Smoke curling in the strobe lit room. Skin on skin, you was dull to gloom. Crowd fading, it's only you near. Every inch say, stay right here. Hands trace curves like a painter's art. Every rhythm pulling us apart. But we don't fight, we surrender. Every heartbeat just gets tenderer. Street train love with a plug vibe. You read me without a single line. Never love, loud, fake and flashy. But with you, it's silent, soft, glassy. Heartbeat sinking with the kick drum. Every breath singing, don't go calm. No script, no pens, no pretense. Just loyalty, heat, and presence. What's the between bass and body? Late night love, no apologies. Every look, every touch, every sound. We lose ourselves, no one around. freedom with a rhythm lies. Yeah. Maybe love's supposed to be like this, quiet but electric, dangerous bliss. Hands speaking louder than words ever could. Be shaked in the flow, we understood. Fast world, we move slow. Every whisper saying don't let go. If the night is all we own, I took every beat in every tone. I stay, but your flow stays. Your touch race stories in my veins. I've been burned by your tint, you fade, but your whispers only make me ache. Sideways glance and stolen moments and sound. Every vibration keeps pulling us down. Say we alive, but we still stand apart. Connected only by rhythm and heart. Whispers, birds, and bass and body, bass and body. Let it snow, clarity, yeah. Every look, every touch, every sign. We lose ourselves, don't wanna run. Whispers, birds, and bass and body. Sway story. No cheese, no rules, no lies. Just freedom with a rhythm. Body snow, whispers fade. Concrete walls, street lights flicker. We don't need rules tonight, just freedom. Yeah. City breathing, me on hands alive. High-rise shadows where our hearts collide. No chains, no labels, no cage, just two souls writing love on the page. Sidewalks rough, but your hands smooth. Every glance saying I choose you. I don't need rings or sign percent, just loyalty, passion, and your presence. There's life around us, we stay slow. Corner to corner, letting feelings grow. Street vendors, late night taxis pass, but we in our own world, nothing else has. No expectations, just energy. You touch me, set the vibe free. Every heartbeat sinking a street. Our love alive where the city breathes. Free love in concrete jungles. No rules, no cages, no struggles.